What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Bluetooth audio not working issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down and here you will see a Bluetooth icon. So from here turn on and off Bluetooth 2 to 3 times. So just simply tap on this icon to turn it on or turn it off, and after doing it 2 to 3 times the Bluetooth will start working properly. But after doing this, if you are still facing the issue, then try restarting your device. So to restart the device, swipe down to open quick settings panel and then click on this power icon. Now here click on restart and then again click on this restart icon to restart your phone, and after restarting it will fix your small software glitches in your phone like Bluetooth audio issue. But after restarting, if you are still facing the same issue, then the next solution is open settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps click on this filter icon and then turn on show system apps button, and after turning on this button click on OK and then go to the search bar and search for the Bluetooth app. So open the Bluetooth app and go to its storage and then clear the cache memory of Bluetooth. So to clear it, just simply click on this clear cache option, and after that the Bluetooth will start working properly. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth audio not working issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.